Okay, so hi everyone. This is a continuation on the first video. So I will try to discuss with you the objectives of financial statement analysis. So fundamentally, financial statement analysis are set to answer a wide range of questions of user. These users have diverse concerns and objectives, hence they have different priorities. However, all these users have common requirements where they very objective of financial statement analysis originates. So the analysis aims to prove the company's first is profitability, profit. So the objective of financial statement analysis is to assess if may pumapasok ba na pera. And this pertains to the ability of the firm to yield a sufficient amount of return on company sales asset and invested capital. So, parang pag ano yung nilalabas mong pera, dapat may dobleng balik or parang para at least may profit na maganda, di ba? And the second one is liquidity. When we speak liquidity and stability, it refers to the availability of cash or cash equivalents to meet short-term operating need. In other words, liquidity is the amount of liquid assets that are available to pay expenses and debts as they become due. So on that particular year, if you have if your purchases if you purchase the product and may naiwan pang parang bayarin, so liquidity will take over for it. Yun. And it is important for learning how easily a company can pay off its short-term liability. And stability is, from the word itself, stable. So, hindi na siya maabutan ng ilang another years, kundi in that period of time, dapat yung mga kulang hindi na bayaran or yung mga dapat may contribute na on that particular day, year. So, upon looking at our financial statement analysis, we could easily chase na hindi maayos yung liquid assets natin if hindi yun na meet yung mga dapat bayaran on its due. Okay? So, for number 3, asset utilization or activity, this pertains to how efficient the company is in managing its resources. Yes, very important because we have resources, but the problem is we don't know how to use the resources properly. For example, when the product gets obsolete, it's not in or hindi na siya patok sa tao, what we can do about it? So the strategy they will use is they will lesser the price for it to be sold. At least may balik na pera. And another strategy doon na pwedeng gawin is they will make it as a promo. Mga pa-promo, di ba may mga ganon. So yun yung isa sa mga way ng mga company or ng mga businessman, entrepreneurs to utilize their resources. And on the activity naman, it reveals the frequency of the firm in selling its product or in collecting its receivables. So on the activity, on the other hand of it, when you purchase a product, diba, you purchase a product from your producer or from the other company, hindi ka lang puro bili ng bili. Because the tendency there is dami ang stocks mo. Madami ang inventories, pero kaunti yung sales mo. So you have to balance it. You buy, at the same time, you sell. And may return sa'yo na pera. Ganun lang naman yun kasimple. And also, it reveals how the company uses their fixed asset to yield revenue. So there are fixed asset and we will try to discuss it later. What are those? So yun, upon looking again, the objectives of financial statement analysis is to see if the company is really they are really utilizing the asset. Kasi makikita naman yun doon sa data ng mga current asset, ng non-current asset. Makikita doon kung malaki ang percentage noon for that particular year. So, yun. And for the fourth one is debt utilization or leverage. When we speak leverage, instead of leverage undertakes leverage is like you borrowed money nangutang ka para i-undertake yung yung projects or yung pagkakaroon mo ng bagong company so debt utilization or leverage is the company tends to have to buy fixed asset or take money from another company in the form of loan so that and the money they will use it to help generate profits instead of issuing stock to raise capital. So debt utilization is like you are trying to utilize yung utang mo. Kasi 'di ba nag-loan ka, nangutang ka para maisalba or to help to generate profits. So now, the objective of financial statement is kung nagamit mo ba yung inutang mo sa maayos na paraan or meron bang kinita yon yung inutang mo. So, the financial statement would easily tell you na ay hindi maganda yung nangutang ako pero walang balik, parang wala siyang naidagdag doon sa profit, parang walang napuntahan. So madaling makikita doon sa financial statement analysis mo.